two-point form. If you know the 2 points on a straight line, then we can find the equation of the straight line by means of this formula. The equation of the straight line passing through the points A of x1 comma y1 and B of x2 comma y2 is y minus y1 into x1 minus x2 is equal to y1 minus y2 into x minus x1. This is a 2-point formula. This says that this is the coordinate axis. Let us take this is any straight line, and we know that this line has 2 points A and B. Now if we know that a straight line having 2 points, and we know the 2 points, that is A is x1 comma y1 and B is x2 comma y2, then directly we can substitute in this formula and we can get the formula. Till now we have discussed first one, slope intercept form. In this we have slope and intercept of a line, then directly we can use this slope intercept form. Second one, we have discussed intercept form. If we have an intercept of a line, then directly we can find the equation of a straight line. Third one, we have learned points slope form. If we have a single point and a slope, then we can find the equation of a straight line. Now the fourth one is 2-point form. Here if we have a slope and intercept, we can use this one. If we have only intercepts, we can use this one. If we have a point and a slope, we can use this one. If we have a 2-point form, then we can use this one. This is the formula, a simple formula, y minus y1 into x1 minus x2 is equal to y1 minus y2 into x minus x1. Now let us discuss a problem. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the points 1 comma minus 2 and minus 2 comma 3. Solution. Now here we have to find the equation of a straight line, and given that that straight line is passing through 2 points, therefore we know that the line is having 2 points, then we can use the 2-point formula. Given points are A 1 comma minus 2, B minus 2 comma 3. The equation of the straight line having the points A 1 comma minus 2 and B minus 2 comma 3 is what is the formula of a 2-point formula? 2-point form is y minus y1 into x1 minus x2 is equal to y1 minus y2 into x minus x1. Now here what is x1? This is x1 y1 x2 y2. Now substitute y minus y1, that is, this implies y minus of minus 2 into x1 minus x2, x1 is 1 minus x2 is again minus 2, y1 is minus 2 minus y2 is 3 into x minus x1 is 1. This implies y minus of minus plus 2 into 1 plus 2 is equal to minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 into x minus 1. This implies y plus 2 into 3 is equal to minus 5 into x minus 1. Now multiply 3 inside. 3y plus 6 is equal to minus 5x plus 5. Take all terms one side. 5x plus 3y plus 6 plus 5, if it goes here, minus 5 is equal to 0. This implies 5x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the straight line. Similarly, solve this one as a homework. Find the equation of the line containing the points 2 comma minus 3 and 0 comma minus 3, and the answer you have to get is y plus 3 is equal to 0. This one answer you have to get. Next one, consider this one also as a homework. You have to do the same process. You have to find the equation which is containing 2 points. Find the equation of the line containing the points 1 comma 2 and 1 comma minus 2. Same process, and the answer you have to get is x minus 1 is equal to 0. For this question you have to get this answer. For this question you have to get this answer. Now, next problem. Find the equation of the straight line passing through. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the points a t1 square comma 2a t1 and a t2 square comma 2a t2. Solution. Given points are a t1 square comma 2a t1, and the second point is b a t2 square comma 2a t2. Now we have to find the equation of a straight line. The equation of the straight line having the points a t1 square comma 2a t1 comma b a t2 square comma 2a t2 is, what is the formula? Y minus y1 into x1 minus x2 is equal to y1 minus y2 into x minus x1. Now substitute. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. What you will get? Y minus y1 is 2a t1, x1 is a t1 square minus x2 is a t2 square is equal to y1 is 2a t1 minus 2a t2 into x minus x1 is a t1 square. This implies y minus 2a t1. From this one I can take a common, t1 square minus t2 square. From this one I can take 2a common, t1 minus t2 into x minus a t1 square. A get cancelled. This implies y minus 2a t1 into, it is in the form of a square minus b square. This one can be written as a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to 2 into t1 minus t2 into x minus a t1 square. t1 minus t2 get cancelled. This implies y minus 2a t1 into t1 plus t2 is equal to 2 into x minus a t1 square. Now I am going to multiply this one inside. Y into t1 plus t2 minus 2a t1 into t1 plus t2. Here 2x minus 2a t1 square. This implies y into t1 plus t2. Now multiply this one, minus 2a t1 into t1 square minus 2a t1 t2 is equal to 2x minus 2a t1 square. Minus 2a t1 square minus 2a t1 square get cancelled. Then we will get, this implies y into t1 plus t2 minus 2a t1 t2 is equal to 2x. Now take all terms one side, we will get 2x minus y into t1 plus t2 plus 2a t1 t2 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the straight line. Required equation of the straight line. Now note, first one, 3 points a of x1 comma y1, b of x2 comma y2, c of x3 comma y3 are collinear. What is the meaning of collinear? If all the 3 points lie on a same line, then we say that the three or more points are collinear. If 3 or more points lie on a same line, then the points are said to be a collinear. 3 points A, B and C are collinear if and only if any one point, let us take C, belongs to the line of another 2 points. If you are taking here B, here you should get AC. Means all the 3 should lie on a one line. If you are taking C here, then that point should lie on this line. If you are taking B, that point should lie on these 2 points on this line. If you are taking here A, then that point should belong to the line joining this point. In other way, we can also say that if and only if C of x1 comma y1, when we can say that a point lie on a line if a point satisfy that equation. A point C satisfies the equation of the line AB. Satisfy the equation of the line AB. Third one, we can use this one or the third one. Directly, if we are going to find the determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1, and we are going to get 0, then also we can say that the 3 points are collinear are collinear. So now to say that 3 points are collinear, any one I can use. Any one I can use. Second one of the following methods can be used for showing that 3 given points, capital A, capital B and capital C, are collinear. When we can say that 3 points are collinear, if 3 points lie on the same line, that is, if a point lie on the line joining the other 2 points. When we can say that a point lie on a line if a point satisfy that equation, that is, if and only if we can write the determinant form. Therefore, while solving the problem, we can use the following one, any one of the method, whichever is easy. One of the following methods can be used for showing that the 3 given points, whatever the points will be given, are collinear. First one, in this first one, A. Already this one, what I am writing A, I have discussed earlier before the starting the first unit in the introduction part. Sum of two of the distances AB, BC and CA is equal to third one. What it means? I am finding the distance between AB, BC and CA. Sum of any two, either this two or this two or this two, is equal to the third one. Then directly I can say that the 3 points are collinear. Or here in this way we have to find only the distance between AB, BC and CA, and we have to check this condition. Now the second one, B. Instead of A I can use B also, that determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 should be 0. Or C. Instead of this, the slopes of the lines AB and BC are equal. We can use the slopes also. There are 3 points. Using first 2 points I am finding the slope, and with using the second 2 points I am finding the other slope. If both the slopes are equal, then also I can say that the 3 points are collinear. Fourth one, find the equation of the line AB. Find the equation of a line AB and show that C, the point C, satisfy the equation of the line AB. While solving the problems, we can use any one, either A, B or C or D. Whichever is easy, we can solve that one. Now let us discuss some of the problems on this one. Problem. Show that the following sets of points are collinear, and find the equation of the line capital L, containing them. In this first one, minus 5 comma 1, second one 5 comma 5, third one 10 comma 7, second one 1 comma 3, minus 2 comma minus 6, 2 comma 6, third one a comma b plus c, b comma c plus a, c comma a plus b. Out of this I am going to solve one or two, the remaining will be homework. I am going to solve the first one. Now the question says that first we have to show that the 3 points are collinear, means I can use A, B, C, D, any one of this one. Now second question is we have to find the equation of a line which is containing all the 3 points. Now out of this A, B, C, D options I have to solve, I am going to use the fourth one. The reason is, if I am solving first in the what is a D point says we have to find the equation of a line AB and show that the C satisfies the AB. If I am going to solve this method, automatically I will solve this one. Means here I am finding the equation of a line AB, I am finding the line AB. Then if I show that C satisfies that one, then I can say that C is collinear. This question will also complete. If I use any other method, first one I am showing that the 3 points are collinear ABC, using ABC, and the second thing again we have to find the equation of a straight line. Means the problem will get somewhat lengthy. If I use the D option, D method, it will be problem somewhat smaller. So I am going to use this one. Solution. First one, given points are A minus 5 comma 1, B 5 comma 5, C 10 comma 7. First I am finding the equation of a line. Take any 2 points, either A, B or B, C or AC, whichever. So I am going to take the points A and B and I will find the equation of a straight line. The equation of the straight line having the points A minus 5 comma 1, B 5 comma 5 is, since we are finding the equation of a straight line, we have the 2 points, so I can use the 2 points formula. That the 2 points formula says that y minus y1 into x1 minus x2 is equal to y1 minus y2 into x minus x1. Here x1 is this one, y1, x2, y2. So now I am going to substitute y minus 1 into minus 5, here again minus 5 is equal to 1 minus 5 into x minus of minus 5. This implies y minus 1 into minus 10 is equal to minus 4 into x plus 5. Minus minus get cancelled, 2 2s are 2 5s are. This implies y minus 1 into 5 is equal to 2 into x plus 5. Now multiply 5y minus 5 is equal to 2x plus 10. Take all terms one side. 2x, I am taking 5y that side, minus 5y plus 10 plus 5 is equal to 0. This implies 2x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the straight line. Therefore, the second part of the question is completed. We have found the equation of a straight line. Now, to say the 3 points are collinear, keep remember the equation of a straight line from which points you are solving. Finding the equation of a straight line, we have to use a third point to check whether it is collinear or not. Now, if not if substituting the point C, what is the point C? 10 comma 7 in LHS of equation number 1. If I substitute in LHS and we are going to get the RHS, then directly it is satisfying. Therefore LHS is 2 into 10 minus 5 into 7 plus 15, which is equal to 20 minus 35 plus 15, which is equal to 20 plus 15 is 35 minus 35, which is equal to 0, nothing but RHS. Therefore, the point C belongs to the line AB. So directly I can say that, therefore, the points capital A minus 5 comma 1, B 5 comma 5, C 10 comma 7 are collinear. Similarly, we have to solve the next one. This one I am going to give as a homework, and the answer for the second one I am writing here. You have to get this answer. You can use the same method for the second one. For the second one, the equation you have to get is 3x minus y is equal to 0. The equation, this equation you have to get is this one. After getting the equation, you have to substitute the third point, and you can check whether it is collinear or not. Definitely it will be a collinear. Now I am going to solve the third one. Given points are A comma B plus C, B comma C plus A, C comma A plus B. First I am going to find the equation of a straight line. The equation of the straight line having the points, take any two points and taking A and B, A comma B plus C, B comma C plus A is y minus y1 into x1 minus x2 is equal to y1 minus y2 into x minus x1. This implies this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now substitute all the points y minus b plus c. In place of y1 we have b plus c. x1 is a minus x2 is b is equal to y1 b plus c minus y2 is c plus a into x minus x1 is a. This implies y minus b minus c into a minus b. Here b plus c minus a into x minus a. Plus c minus c get cancelled. Y minus b minus c into a minus b is equal to b minus a into x minus a. This implies y minus b minus c into a minus b is equal to, from this one I am going to take minus common, I will get a minus b. If I again multiply minus into a minus into minus b, b, x minus a minus b get cancelled. This implies y minus b minus c is equal to minus, multiplying minus inside, minus x plus, take all terms one side, x plus y minus a minus b minus c is equal to 0. Equation number 1 is the required equation of the line. Therefore, is the required equation of the straight line, is the required equation of the straight line. Now substitute the point C and check whether it is collinear or not. Substituting C comma a plus b in LHS of equation number 1. LHS, that is what you are going to get: C plus a plus b minus a minus b minus c, which is equal to C plus a plus b minus a minus b minus c, plus c minus c, plus a minus a, plus b minus c, which is equal to 0, that is RHS. Therefore, so I can say that the point C belongs to the line AB. Therefore, the points A comma B plus C, B comma C plus A, C comma A plus B are collinear. Therefore, similarly you can solve this problem also as a homework. Prove that the points 1 comma 11, 2 comma 15 and minus 3 comma minus 5 are collinear, and find the equation of the straight line containing them. It's the same process. Here we have to first prove the 3 points are collinear and we have to find the equation of a straight line. First find the equation of a straight line and prove whether it is collinear. And the answer for the equation of a straight line, you have to get this one, is 4x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. This one you have to get as an answer, and you can prove the by substituting the third point, whichever you are taking. Now the next problem, find the condition for the points a comma 0, h comma k and 0 comma b, where AB is not equal to 0 to be collinear. The question says that we have to find the condition for the 3 points to be a collinear. Solution: a very simple problem. Given points are a comma 0, b h comma k, c 0 comma b. Now, given that the points are collinear, now since the given points are collinear, then the slope of the line AB is equal to slope of the line BC, or anything you can take. I am going to take then slope of the line AB is equal to slope of the line BC. This implies, if we know the 2 points, then we can find the slope of a line. The formula to find the slope of a line is, the formula to find the slope of a line using the 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is, can you all say the answer? I am writing here in a rough part, y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. That is, here for the AB, this one is x1 y1 x2 y2, then 0 minus k by a minus h is equal to, now for BC, this one is x1 y1 x2 y2 is k minus b by h minus 0. This implies minus k by a minus h. This implies k minus b by h. Cross multiply, minus hk is equal to k minus b into a minus h. This implies minus hk is equal to, multiply ka minus hk minus ab plus hp. Minus hk get cancelled. 0 is equal to ka minus ab plus hp. Now I am sending this ab here. ab is equal to ka plus hp. Dividing ab on both sides, 1 is equal to ka by ab plus hp by ab. b, a get cancelled. This implies 1 is equal to k by b is equal to h plus h by a. Therefore, h by a plus k by b is equal to 1 is the condition. This is the condition we have to